Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, which is having a nice relief rally right now. We dropped on Friday down to $102,000 here, and now we are back at 115, 13% move in just 2 days basically. So the market is very volatile right now. They are basically liquidating the longs and liquidating the shorts, so you need to be very careful right now. The question is Bitcoin going to go back to the $120,000, or are we going to test this spike here again? In my opinion, usually when this kind of spike happens, they get retested. So I'm very careful with my trades right now. I'm more bearish than bullish in the short term, I have to say. Usually I'm the mega bull, but right now after this kind of liquidation spikes, I'm thinking usually they are going to do it again. The big market players, they will drop the market again. Everybody will get liquidated again and over until there is no more weak hands in the market. Then they will pump it to a new all-time high. Right now, let's see what will happen. The question is, should we buy right now? Right now, I'm sitting on the sidelines for the next couple of days. I'm definitely going to wait for a new trend, guys. So for a new trend to happen, we definitely need to go above this line at $117,000. Let's see right now. It looks like we're forming some kind of a head and shoulders here. So here we have one shoulder, here we have the head, and here it looks like we're forming probably the right shoulder. So we need to be careful. Usually a head and shoulders pattern is a bearish pattern, so you need to be careful with your trades right now. I wouldn't jump into any longs, especially after this big pump right here. I'm more shortish, so to say, right now. So I would wait until the RSI shows me here that the market is overbought, and then I might open some shorts. Let's see. Here I talked about in my last video, it was a good opportunity to buy something. Unfortunately, I was sleeping during this time, so the market already had a big pullback to 112,000. So I was like, okay, the big move is already over. So I was still waiting. That's why I definitely recommend you also have patience. Patience is very important in crypto. Nothing is running away from you. Just enjoy the ride. Wait for the right opportunity and the right trading setup. For me, I don't see any patterns playing out right now, so I'm just gonna wait on the sidelines the next trading setup. Now let's go over here to Ethereum, which is also almost the same price as it was before the drop, guys. $4,153. Very big move to the upside, I have to say, for Ethereum. Let's quickly measure it as well here on the Ethereum chart. Let's see from here to here, 20%, guys, a 20% pump in just 2 days. If you would have bought the dip, congratulations to all of you. But yeah, it was very scary. I have to say the market was dropping and dropping. It was really like a falling knife moment. So you have to be careful with this type of moments, because even if you would have entered here at $4,000 with a 10x leverage, you would have still got liquidated down here. So you need to be very careful. Basically, all the longs and all the shorts got liquidated on 2x, 5x, 10x and more. Just on Ethereum, I think if you would have had a 2x, depending what your entry was, maybe you would still be in your trade now. But all of the other trades, especially on the altcoins, we can see the altcoins, they got decimated, guys. Let's look here. Doge dropped to 10 cents. Can you believe this, guys? 10 cents Doge. We didn't see this kind of prices for years, but as we can see, it's possible. So you need to be very careful out there with leverage. Always use a stop loss and a take profit. If you do that, you are already ahead of 90% of the people, because 90% of the people, they are just short-term thinkers. They are just opening irrational trades with market orders without any pattern breaking out. So usually they are losing their capital. Like that, I would recommend to use only 1 or 2% for one trading position from your capital maximum, and always use a stop loss and take profit. Like that, you are basically ahead of 99% of the people out there, because most of the people are just trading without any strategy. You have to be sophisticated, smart, and resilient. So don't let the market take your profits. Once you make profits, take them, pay them out, buy some Bitcoin or pay them out to your bank account and enjoy your life. Now let's see here. Would I buy some altcoins? I don't know. I bought some Solana at 180. I have to say I'm quite happy with that. Besides that, right now I would wait. Everything is indecisive right now. The market is very uncertain. Let's see what will happen today with the US market open. We had so much inflows from the ETF last week. It's very surprising that we dipped down below. Also, you remember here the Bitensor trade, guys. Is pumping again massively. Let's quickly find it here. We just search for it. Here we have the Tau trade, $387, guys, for Bitensor. It had a huge drop. Like, look at this, guys. Look at this spike down here from 138 up to 388, 181%, guys, just on spot. This is crazy, but the drop was also very heavy. Like, you know, I had the $10,000 position on Tao, which got liquidated, unfortunately. Went down 65%, guys, 65%. Almost everybody got wiped out, even the 2x's. So if you have been trading Bitensor with leverage, you most likely got liquidated. And right now, I'm actually thinking to short it. So look at this, the RSI is very overbought and might be a nice opportunity to short it. I think it's very likely we'll go back to 280 or $300 area because the market is just so volatile right now. I think there is another leg to the downside coming, unfortunately, or luckily, because this might bring a new opportunity for you to buy at discounted prices. If you want to trade like you see me do, here on the VX platform, down in the description and in the pinned comment, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Take advantage of this opportunity and start your trading career today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profit. See you all again next time.